The weather's been awful, too much time inside. But today, yeah, we got some sun, we got just a few clouds. I think it's time for another road trip. What do you say? Let's go. So Seagram State Park is located about a 2-hour drive east of Houston and south of Beaumont. It is one of the most remotest public beaches you can access with a motor vehicle along the Texas coast. Route 87 coming out of Galveston was washed away in a hurricane some 37 years ago. So the route I'm showing on the map here is really the only way you can get to it.